Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have my pet treater unboxing. This is their cat pack for August. There's all sorts of goodies in here. I've been unboxing this on my channel for a while, so I do have a playlist in case you're interested in seeing what I've got in past boxes. Look at that cute little cat. That is so cute. This is Buffalo. Little Buffalo cat treat snacks. That's very cute. Jackson's here with me. Oh, you found something cool? We'll get to that in just a moment. Jackson comes purely for the stickers. He loves the little stickers they send every month. So I will go through the items real quick so you can see what we have. So we have those cat snacks. Very cute. We have a little cat toy. Little mouse holding a piece of cheese. How cute is that? Mouse-a-roni and cheese. Nina's gonna love that. And it feels like there's something in there. There's probably catnip in there. Yep. Cool. Adorable. What else we got? Every day is Catter Day. That's cute. Little koozie.
I bet Nina will like it.
Yeah, Nina. We have a little advertisement.
Ooh.
What's that? Another toy?
Yeah, some balls.
Oh, Jackson Galaxy. His name's Jackson too. He's a little famous guy on TV. That's interesting. These are cat dice.
Oh, I bet Nina would like those too.
I think she will. Cool.
Okay, I found
Hunt,
it.
catch, kill, eat, groom, sleep.
Okay.
Cute.
I found the sticker.
What's the sticker this month? Is it something good? The snuggle is real. How cute is that? Which is your favorite that we've gotten so far? Do you remember? They're up here on the board. We keep them behind us here. I like the paws one that looks like Jaws, but it's
I
paws.
like the outer space cat.
The outer space cat. Oh, there's a couple of these. Do you want to get the last one out? This one looks like a little dog. Cocktail wiener dog. What's that one? A fish? Cute. Teeny Sardini. I love those.
Oh,
so they're
well
cloth
said.
and they do have catnip in them. And that's pretty cool. Got a couple treats, a couple toys, and some stuff for me.
Mom.
So really good box
Hey,
this
Mom,
month.
did you get this?
So that's what we got. If you guys want to sign up for a subscription, I'll put all the information below and a promo code. And as always, thank you so much for watching.
Bye,
Bye
guys.
guys.